Okay, so they said, what if we see them with a third person? How should we react? What to think then? So I just want to say a couple things about this. First, circumstances do not matter. And I don't know your situation, if you are with this person and then now they are with a third person, but if that's the case, you have to recognize that you created this with your mind. You either had a limiting belief within your mind that said, I don't feel good enough, I don't feel chosen, I'm not worthy, etc. So they had to show you what is dominant in your subconscious mind. Or you had a fear that this person was going to go and be with somebody else. So they have to be that version that you have created in your mind. The other thing is, if you are in a situation where you meet someone and they're already with a third person, it doesn't matter. You just go within your mind and you can either take your focus off completely on them, where you are just embodying that version of you where you are with that person now and that person's not even existing in your mind. Or if you have trouble doing that and not being able to not focus on them because they are dominant in your mind, you just say, every time they are with that person, they are nonstop thinking about me. And every time they are with that person, they are coming closer and closer to me because I am their one and only, and I am their only option, and I am their best choice. The moment that you let that affect you and you start focusing on them, like, oh my gosh, they're going to stay with them, they don't want me because they're better than me, etc., then they are going to continue to be with that person. So again, just tell yourself, this is my reality. Circumstances don't matter, and I can choose whoever I want to be with. But most importantly, in the meantime, you want to work on your self-concept. Just keep telling yourself, you know what? I am more than good enough. I am amazing. I am their number one priority. I am perfect inside and out. And just keep building yourself up. The more that you build yourself up and you build up your self-concept, you will start feeling better and better. And that third person will not even affect you anymore. Follow me for more tips.